9:35 and the bus is so close. It's right there on the map. Oh my gosh. I really hope this bus is actually going to the right spot though. I guess we'll see. Walking 40 minutes and then waiting another 40 minutes for an hour-long bus ride to save $17. I think it's worth it. Alright, so I made it to Honolulu, to my hostel. Met some German guys and got some recommendations for things to do, so let's head out. I just booked a photography tour all day tomorrow, starting at sunrise. That should be super fun. And I just had brunch at the cafe that's attached to the hotel. I'm gonna go check out the beach, and then I hear Diamond Head is the place to go. The waves here are insane. I love them, and the water's warm. This is the place to be. Now I gotta learn how to surf. that was real fun.
Ride with caution, for wind can be strong at some points. If you plan on riding around the island, it is very important to take many breaks. Otherwise, your moped will overheat.
I just rented a moped, as you can see. They're a lot more thorough here than they are in Thailand. I had to watch an instructional video and all that stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna hit up the coast and drive around because I'm kind of addicted to these things now, so let's see what we can see and get some drone footage. Alright, so the moped sucks. You can almost get to 40 miles an hour. Full throttle. Ugh. I hate it. The scooters in Thailand are so much better. The guy was telling me that that's actually where they make the ones that they have here. Since I don't have a motorcycle license, I can't drive the fast ones, which is annoying. Anyways, I'm driving on the shoulder because everyone's passing me because I can't drive any faster. I hope it's actually worth it. And I saw this. And then I knew. It was worth it. See those people over there? It was really cool. But there's actually a better view back there. This is just completely insane. You'll see in a sec. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god. Insane. I got some drone shots here. I think I'm gonna slowly start working my way back because my drone's being dumb, making weird noises. But I'm gonna enjoy the view and the ride and everything. Traffic. Quick next stop. Pretty nice view. I'm at Diamond Head now, and pulled out my gimbal because there's actually a trail here. And let's see what's up there. Okay, what do we have here? I'm here. Newer switchbacks on the steep interior slope of the crater. Great. 4 more winch cable, okay, still going uphill. 74 steps into a lighted tunnel, and they were tunnel 225 feet long. Steep set of 99 steps taking to the lowest level of the fire control station. A spiral staircase that's 3 levels high, and then 54 metal steps to the summit. Why does my hand have to be injured here? Alright, I guess we'll try it. Yeah, there's no woman. So colorful. How majestic. That's pretty cool. So this is a really long trail, so we're gonna see if I can actually do this. Okay, this sucks, I'm calling it. I'm gonna go swim instead. It's fine. You'll see when I show you. Yeah, I can't do this. Oh well. I would do it if my heel wasn't injured. Or if I brought water. But the photography tour is tomorrow. That's like a 10-hour tour and we're going all around the island. And getting like really amazing sunset pictures, stopping at good food places along the way, meeting people. It'll be really fun. Let's take a sec though. Just relax. Listen to that one random bird. That other random bird. Wow, just a lot of birds. Traveling's fun, but it's also tiring. I got 2 hours of sleep last night in the plane. I went a day back in time because of the time change. And it is weird being around people that speak English. It's still worth it. Do it. That guy's doing a handstand, he just fell. That guy's doing a... I can't train because I'm injured. Cry. I think I'm gonna go back to the beach, return the scooter, swim, and find dinner somewhere. I can't be in Hawaii without swimming. Like, that'd be crazy. And then sleep early since I have to wake up at 5 a.m. Yay. I hope you guys are doing well. Because I am tired. Meanwhile, Ralph is go-karting in an Eeyore suit in the middle of winter through Tokyo. Check his vlog out right here. He probably hasn't finished it yet, actually. Hey, just returned the bike. What I said, that's a set of doors that directly reach to the outside. Those of you that don't know, I've never stayed in a hostel before. So I'm just like really trusting that no one's gonna steal anything. It's like 8 people in a room. We'll see how that goes. I've decided that before I go to the beach, I'm gonna follow Clement and Joanna's advice and get some flip-flops. Finally, when I'm in Hawaii, heading to the store now.
Where did my wings go? I could have sworn I could fly straight up into the sky. Should have known it was all just a lie. No one on earth can fly. Thought the things you said would turn out true. Guess that's what I get for trusting you. You said if I believed I would fly. Why didn't I? Did faith let me down? Or did I not have enough? That distinction is tough. Protected me from the fall. Did you mean that at all?
This is wild, like there's so many street performers here, I love it. One of my favorite things about just wandering around big cities like this is seeing everyone just like in their car, just living their lives. It's very interesting. Whoa. It's like a walkway up there. These trees are real. It's real, right? It's crazy. Somewhere in here is the flip-flop place. Somewhere. Biomechanical footwear, what does that mean? Crazy shirts. And then the flip-flop place. beer. Blueberries. I like this like mall. It's very cool. Whoa, don't look at that. Let's go in this tree house. Yeah, I'm really digging this place. It's like a mall with like a humongous tree that just like goes everywhere inside of it, and it just works. Like I don't know if they built the mall around the tree or the tree was planted after. Probably the mall around the tree. That'd make more sense. I have no idea how bad I just want to climb this thing. So I kind of like pulled. Look at that flip flop. Finally made my way here, and they're closed now because I took too much time taking B-roll. So also I keep hanging this camera over the edge of things. I shouldn't do that. So I guess I gotta find another shoe place. Shoe place. There we go. Okay, so Billabong has flip flops. I never would have guessed that. I think this fits my aesthetic the most. I got them. Now I'm gonna slowly make my way back to the beach. Search musical instrument store, and there are 4 ukulele stores within like 100 feet. So that's Hawaii for you. That's actually really cool. Those pictures are so good. I need to step up my game.
Thought the things you said would turn out true. Was it even you I listened to? I thought if I believed enough that I would fly. Air is rushing past and I can barely see.
Okay, so watched random hip-hop b-boy show. A little disappointed they said they were going to flip over those guys and they didn't. Walked into a random ukulele store, saw some stuff. Really wanted the baritone uke, but I can't freaking bring it because I don't have a bag. Heading back towards the ocean now.
Suddenly a peace that I cannot explain. Feels like the wind is running through my veins. Oh, and all that I can do is close my eyes as you lift me up. You lift me
My feet are wet. Water over there. This water straight up just splashing the shoes, so the sandals are pointless now. But this is sunset. Freaking amazing. Holy shit. Apparently you can swim as late as you want here, like some surfers will go out with glow sticks in the middle of the night. So I might come out here. I might just get dinner and just swim. Yeah, fuck it, I'm doing it. Alright guys, so swimming was super fun. Yeah, the water's super warm here, and like the horizon was still reflecting off the water for at least an hour after sunset. It was amazing. Yeah, but I had to come back, skip dinner, and I'm going to bed. It's like 7 p.m. now, right after I pack, because I have to get up super early for the photography tour starting at sunrise. So, see you guys tomorrow. It's been a really great day for getting 2 hours of sleep. We made it back. Karaoke bar. 2 random strangers. That's cool.